As AI video analytics starts to expand across cities and factories, compute density becomes the bottleneck. Traditional systems struggle to scale because they rely heavily on the host CPU or on the cloud for core functionality. SiMa's Modalix SoC solves this by running the entire AI video pipeline on device. That's ingest, decode, AI inference, and re-encoding, thereby reducing external host load and enabling easy scaling from 1 to 80 real-time streams on one box. In this demo, we're processing 80 video channels across 5 Modalix PCIe half-height, half-length cards inside an industrial PC. Each Modalix SoC runs its full pipeline end-to-end at under 10 watts, allowing 5 cards to run in a single IPC. This level of integration is made possible by the Modalix SoC's heterogeneous compute architecture with integrated accelerators and an octa-core ARM A65 CPU. Across the 5 cards, we're running 20 AI models in parallel, 4 YOLO variants and 16 channels per card, handling vehicle and person detection, pose estimation, as well as object identification and more on this industrial warehouse example use case with no cloud dependency. Zooming in on a single channel, you'll see metadata and regions of interest computed by the Modalix SoC and rendered on the screen by the host. Whether you need 1 channel of AI video analytics or 80, SiMa Modalix delivers a fast, power-efficient on-device platform for industrial, retail, and smart city applications. To learn more, visit SiMa.ai.